Do you know how it feels when a lot of necessary packages are not available in the default repository? Well, that's where RPMFusion comes in. This repository adds a whole new world of possibilities to your system, from basic drivers to a lot of productivity tools that you can add to your system. So let's dive in and take a look at it, how to enable it. In order to enable this repository, let's first go to its website, that is rpmfusion.org, and I will provide a link to this website in the description box, so you can check it out from there. And once you are on this configuration page of this website, you will see several options over here. You will see that RPM Fusion free for Fedora 3940 and all other versions. So from here you have to download the version that fits right with your operating system. For example, I'm using Fedora 41, so I will download the file that is corresponding to Fedora 41. And you will see over here that there are two versions available for RPM Fusion. One is free and the other one is non-free. And we will be installing both of these. So let's first download these files and then we will begin installing it. Okay, now the files are downloaded. Now let's try installing one. I'm going to install this one first. So once we click on it, it will open the respective applications to begin the installation. And once it is open, let's click on install, and then it will ask for our password, and then we are going to authenticate it. And now let's just wait for the installation to be complete. And now when the installation is complete, let's just go ahead and verify if the repository is enabled or not. So for that, let's go to these three bars over here, then software repositories, and then let's look for the RPM Fusion non-free version. So you can see that it is enabled over here. So it is installed now. And on this page, you can see all those repositories that are enabled in your system. So you can enable or disable any of these repositories when you want. Now let's just go ahead and install the other one too. And the free version, and this is done. This is a simple method of doing it using GUI. So you can do all these things using command line too, but I'm not teaching you that right now. We are first trying to get the system working without much hassle of using the command prompt or terminal. So that is all that you need to do to install these repositories using the GUI method. You can install all these repositories using the command line too. And for that, you just have to scroll down and you will find all this instruction to install it using the command line method. So this is it for all these installation steps. And if you like it, then do press that like button. And don't forget to check out the next video where I will show you how you can enable all the multimedia codecs that are needed to play videos. So don't forget to check that out. So this is it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Go ahead and press that button.